Welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? The Toyota RAV4 compact crossover is anticipated to get a spick and span look quite soon, perhaps as a 2019 model. This won't be as straightforward and invigorating. The up-and-coming age of the compact cube is prone to be founded on the automaker's most recent TGNA stage. This secluded design supports the latest Toyota Camry and Prius and will fill in as the base for most of Toyota's passenger autos advancing. In spite of the fact that it's hard to see much underneath the thick dark plastic disguise, it shows up the 2019 Toyota RAV4 will shun the auto-like look of the present model, supplanting it with something strongly more tough and truck-like in appearance. We expect the RAV4 to get styling prompts in light of the FTAC concept that appeared at the 2017 LA Auto Show. The FTAC appeared to us to be generally RAV4 signs in its introduction, with a front end that mixes the RAV's tiered back, furious headlights with a grille that appears to be propelled by the Tacoma TRD Pro. The huge, quadrangle fog lights on the idea could be disengaged and utilized as compact lights, embodying the double reason oddity of yet another Toyota idea from last year, the FT4X that was appeared at the New York Pier. Obviously don't expect anything like it on a Creation RAV4. The additional thick 20-inch wheels of the FTAC wore blocky all-season tires. The unmistakable message of the idea's look was that Toyota needed it to look, in any event, similar to an appropriate truck, regardless of what was without a doubt an auto stage underneath. Considering that the RAV4 is Toyota's best offering vehicle in the United States, it will enthusiasm to perceive the amount Toyota will upset its officially winning equation. A hybrid model is certain to persist, and all-wheel drive will be discretionary. However, past that, we aren't sure what's in store. We'll keep our eyes open for an authority uncover, yet meanwhile, look through the exhibition of spy photos above for an early crest at the following RAV4.